There will often be quite a few problems that can be done most efficiently by using the answer choices, and some where you must use the answer choices, like this one. But we're not used to doing a lot of multiple choice. We do more critical thinking and application problems, and so we don't do a lot of multiple choice tests. So that could be to your disadvantage. That's why it's a good idea to practice these type of problems. Which of the following cannot be written as the product of two consecutive integers? Well, it's a process of elimination. Which ones can be written as the product of two consecutive integers, like 2 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 7, 99 is 9 multiplied by 11. Those aren't consecutive. Let's see if I have consecutive here. 11 times 12 is 132. So answer choice C for number 7. Even on the easy ones, I'm just going to double check the key to make sure I'm not making any mistakes on the video. Next problem. Problem 17. The number 60 is 60 greater than. So the thing about this problem is 60 is 60 greater than one of these numbers. 60 is 60% greater than one of these numbers. So it can't be 96 because 60 is not greater than 96. It can't be 100 because 60 is not greater than 100. 60 is 60% greater than some number that's less than 60. So then you can take each number and, I mean, really, you could do, there's so many different ways to do this. You can do 50%. Okay, so here's 36. 50% of 36 is 18. And so if that's 50%, a fifth of that is going to be some decimal number. It doesn't seem like that. If I add 10% to that, I'm not going to get a whole number. I'm not going to get 60. I feel like it must be 37.5. If that's 100, okay, this is equal to 100%. I'm looking for 160% if it's 60% greater. 10% of 37.5 is 3.75. And if I multiply that times 6, that'll be 60%. 2 times 75 is 150, and 3 150s is 450, and 18 is 2250, so 22.5. If I add that to 37, I get 59 and one more whole, so 60. So answer choice B. I'm fairly sure there was an easier way to do that. If you found it, oh, I know the easier way. I keep forgetting we can use a calculator on this thing. Just do 1.6 multiplied by 36, 1.6 multiplied by 37.5 until you find out which one is 60. I keep forgetting calculators are allowed on this test. That's one of the rare instances where you would use a calculator, though, to be honest. The sum of two prime numbers is 50. One of them could be, well, if it's two prime numbers that I'm adding, what would I add to 29 to give me 50? 29 plus 21, that's not prime. That's 3 multiplied by 7. 39 plus 11. Well, 11's prime is 39 prime. Don't assume the number they're giving you is a prime number. 39 is not prime, it's composite because it's divisible by 3. 41 plus 9 is not going to work because 9 is composite. It must be 43. 43 plus 7 is 50. 7 is prime. 43 is prime. Answer choice D for 20. Problem 22. Jack has 3 pennies, 4 nickels, 5 dimes, and 6 quarters. Jack cannot make which of these following amounts using any number of his coins. This one's pretty fast if you realize something. And this might not be as easy for you guys to realize because paying with change might be a thing of the past, but in order to make 99 cents, you're going to have 4 pennies. I mean, it's 95 cents plus 4 cents. So you can make the 95 cents with some combination of nickels, quarters, and dimes and nickels, but you need 4 pennies to make that remainder of 4. So, I mean, you really don't need to look any further than answer choice A once you realize that. Okay, finally, for this category, using the answer choices to your advantage, which of the following is greatest? Well, right away, I can eliminate 111 because 2222 is greater than 111. And I can also eliminate 2,222 because I'm not even going to use 222. I'm just going to say 200 squared. Just do a quick estimate. That's a 4 with 4 zeros. It's way more than 2,222. And then it's just a question of which is greater, A or B. Let's again just use 20. 20 times 20 is 400. And I have 22 of these. So I have 400 times 400 times 400 times 4. I mean, it just goes on and on. There's no way this is going to be less than this. So answer choice A. And again, I forgot we can use a calculator. I wonder whether the number is so large that you end up getting a scientific notation. If you do 22 caret symbol, which if you're using the standard TI-30X2S, which is the one we have in class, that's what you'll be using on the Florida Math League contest because I'll be handing those to you. Right above the x squared is the caret symbol, which tells the calculator the next number is the exponent. 22 to the 22nd power, you get 3.414 times 10 to the 29th power. So you have to recognize that that's scientific notation. It's like a 3 with 29 zeros. So that's way more than 40,000. You could also do 222 squared. That's going to be 49,284. So you can tell pretty quickly on a calculator that it's going to be answer choice A. That does it for this category.